Thrissur, the cultural capital of Kerala, is also home to many industries. Star Bottles has carved a niche for itself among them as a progressive and forward-looking venture. From a modest beginning, it has expanded into many allied enterprises. As a young man, Vakke Parambil Muhammad Haji started his career as an agent for Durga Glass Factory, Kolkata, in 1950. This experience served him well and he started manufacturing bottles himself 7 years later. A landmark for his company, Sanco was the order for supply of bottles and brushes for indelible ink for the second parliamentary election in 1957. That year, his eldest son, Mr. Haider, joined the business and his eldest daughter, Alima, married our beloved father, Mr. C.S. Abdul Rahman of the Cheruri family of Natika. He was then engaged in textile business with his brothers in Ceylon. 1965 saw him relocate to his homeland. The next year, the young couple had a son, whom they named Muhammad Hanifa. Our father started Star Bottles and Glassware Stores, a bottle trading business in 1967 with the technical assistance of his father-in-law and brother-in-law. He also received the support of his own family in the form of capital to start the venture. The business also included the manufacture of agarbattis and the sale of perfumes, packing material and chemicals. Mr. C.S. Abdul Rahman found it a struggle to manage a large family of 5 boys and 3 girls. But he was an enterprising man and never gave up. A year later, our grandfather, Vakke Parambil Muhammad Haji, passed away. That year, our father performed the Hajj pilgrimage. This was also the time when his younger son Shamsuddin and Shahul Hamid joined the family business with the support of our uncle V.M. Abdul Qadir. That same year, the company started its first plastic industry. It was an eventful period. We progressed with the blessings of the Almighty. The steps forward from then on may best be shown in a timeline. 1988, Star Bottles and Glassware Stores retained its crockery business in the same location under the name Crockery Palace and shifted its other activities to another building nearby. 1997, Star Line Agencies was started with his uncle Mr. Tajuddin. It dealt in electronics, appliances and confectionaries, handling Philips, Milton, Prestige, Orient, Cadbury's, etc. 1998, the trading business, which deals with chemicals used in the detergent and cosmetic industries, was shifted to another premises and named Star Chemicals. That year also saw the automation and expansion of the plastic manufacturing unit. It was shifted to our own building and given the name Star Packaging. It manufactures many items such as droppers, bottles and jars for the use of the medical and cosmetic industries. In that year, in the midst of these achievements, we suffered the loss of our beloved father. 2000, we started a unit, CA Fragrances, in his blessed memory. It manufactures and exports agarbattis and perfumes. That year we shifted Star Bottles to our own building, also named in our father's memory, CA Chambers. 2003, this year saw us diversify into the hospitality business with the launch of Yatri Rest Home, air-conditioned dormitory-style lodging house. That year, we suffered another loss with the demise of our mother, Alima. 2003 saw us plan to expand our footprint in the hospitality business with the launch of Star Park, a private limited company with relatives and close friends as shareholders. However, some legal problems have caused a delay. The legalities have been solved and we expect the inauguration by this year end. 2004, in association with Visa Group, we started a very big project to produce PET bottles and containers branded Durapet. It is an ISO 1901-2008 company at caters to major manufacturers of Ayurvedic medicines. Among our customers are Kottakkal Ayurvedashala, Ayurveda Pharmacy, Coimbatore, Vaidyaratnam Aushadashala, Aushadhi, and Shantigiri. In the food manufacturing industry, Eastern, Double Horse, and Kitchen Treasures are some of our prestigious clientele. 2007, we started yet another automated plastic manufacturing unit, Star Polymers, which provides packaging materials to KP Nambudris and Marico Parachute, among other renowned brands. That same year, Oasis Trading Company was started with A.M. Ibrahim. The company distributes the electronic products and appliances of companies like Panasonic, TTK Prestige, Polar, and Keithan. 2008, Nanopack Industries began operations producing plastic containers and caps which are supplied to brands like Indulekha. 2009, Starlight Marketing, which distributes products from Mr. Butler, Gala Hygienics Products, and Bismi Appliances. 2014, Next Steel Concepts, manufacturing steel prefabricated doors and structures in association with Kalath Group. 2016, we broke new ground when the spouses of the five brothers came together to form Sabco Hygienics, which manufactures home care and hygienic products. Through the grace of God, the group now has more than 300 direct employees. As conscientious citizens, we do our duty and pay rupees 10 crores as taxes and duties each year to our nation. It has been a long and eventful journey from 1967 when Mr. C.S. Abdul Rahman started his first business. 50 years on, we can look back with gratitude to God for our progress. Today we have a small surprise for you all. In this Golden Jubilee year, we are having a celebration that will serve to remind us of more than the passage of time, of not just the advancement of our enterprises, but most of all of the vision of our founder and the unity that has kept us ahead in the race.
It's my pleasure to inform you that the Star Bottle Group is celebrating its Golden Jubilee now. As the chairman of the group, I would like to thank all of you for your support extended to us.
We take this opportunity to thank everyone, friends, family, our staff, and our esteemed clients for their support. Most of all, we give heartfelt thanks to the Almighty for all the blessings He has showered upon us.